Hello everyone, how to Tots back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create any event on Facebook from PC or laptop. So you can see this is the Facebook homepage. So what you need to do, you need to click here, and then you can see the option three dots. Simply click here, and live event. Simply click here. Then you can select any category, like which event you want to create, like work, education, relationship, home and living, family, travel. So there are many options here. So I'm just going to click work, and like you can give the title, or there are some pre-made, but if you want, okay, like assistant manager at, you can give the page name. If you want, you can give the page name or group name or people name, and then like you can you can post it. Okay friend, today's no more, and thank you for watching.